fuel drill performed every task that we needed it to do. It was very versatile.
When we had to drill our holes from each floor through the wood, it just ate right through it. The power was there. The variable speed was also there that we could use.
For lateral drilling, 2x4s, double 2x4s, we can go through that with 2-inch bit, no problem. And the batteries, it's one battery for the day. It's compact, it fits real nice in between the studs.
I was able to fit in all the small areas that we needed to use it for. The power was just phenomenal.
It's definitely shorter, more compact. The balance is right there where you need it. The power, the weight ratio, it's awesome.
The new Milwaukee drill is definitely faster. I can definitely feel the difference. You just pull the trigger and it just goes right at it. There's like no wait time, no lag.
The new fuel drill ran at a very fast speed, which was nice because it was easier to get the job done quicker. The new fuel drill is compact, it's powerful, it's versatile. It's about the only tool that you need to get the job done.